I bet a few of you have come across this problem where when you're cutting, you're doing your toolpaths for your toolpaths are all over the place. They're not sort of following sort of an order. They're jumping from here to here to there and backwards and forwards. Well, there is a way of sorting this problem out. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose a toolpath, profile toolpath, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to calculate the path for the ones I have selected, and as you can see, it's jumping all over the place. So we'll just run that toolpath so you can see how it looks. It's not doing one after the other as you'd want it to. It's going from one side to the other side, so it's bouncing all around your material. But there is a way you can actually change this in the settings. So we'll just double click on that profile. Now you come down to where it says ramp here and go across to where it says order. Now if you click on shortest path and then recalculate, straight away you see it's organized those outer vectors. So now when we run it, it does one after the other, which makes it a lot more efficient. There's quite a few things you can do with this. I mean, there might be times when you might actually want it to cut these outer ones first, and then for some reason you might want it to cut the inner one, then the outer one, and then this middle one here. Now if we click on our toolpath again and go back to our order selection, we can actually do that by selecting vector selection order, so it does it in the order of the vectors, and we also need to click left to right because this will give these some order for doing these particular vectors. And if we pick calculate again, oh no, we have to select the other vectors, don't we? It does help. So we're going to do that one, and then the one in the middle. So let's just go and calculate that one. Now if we do a preview of that, whoops, let's start again. If we do a preview of that, you'll see it's following the lines as we wanted it to around the outside. Then it's doing the centre one as we wanted, then the outer one as we wanted. And then it'll do the last one in the centre. So there you go. There's a way that you can actually organise cutting your vectors.